Hello, 你好. Welcome to SMART Mandarin and SMART Mandarin podcast. If this is the first time you're on my channel, 你好, my name is Katrina. I'm the founder and Mandarin teacher of SMART Mandarin. My job is to help you to speak Mandarin with confidence and joy. In today's video, we're going to talk about some daily activities in Mandarin Chinese and teach you how to use the simple daily activity into simple sentence structures. Now, let's begin. The first one is 起床, meaning get up or get out of bed. 床 is bed. 起床. Example, 我今天9点起床. 我今天9点起床. As you can see from this example, we go subject and time and action. So this is the basic sentence structure of Mandarin Chinese. Subject, time, and the action. 我今天9点起床. 我今天9点起床. Next one, 刷牙. 刷牙. 刷 meaning brush. 牙 is teeth. So 刷牙 meaning brush teeth. Brush teeth. Example, 我每天刷3次牙. 我每天 every day. 刷 to brush. 3次 3 times. 牙 meaning teeth. As you can see from this example, 刷牙 is being separated because 刷牙 is a verb object verb, or you could say a separable verb. 我每天 I every day. 刷3次 brush 3 times. 牙刷3次牙. So if you brush 2 times, you could say 我每天刷2次牙 twice. I brush my teeth twice a day, every day. 我每天刷2次牙. If you want to know what is separable verbs and how to use separable verb, which is a very, very important concept, you should go to the link down below to my website and check out Absolute Beginner's course. I have everything in depth explaining what is verb object and how to use it. The next one is also one of the routines every day, which is 开车. 开车. 开车 meaning to drive, but it literally means drive car. For example, you could say 他很会开车. 他很会开车. Here we have to remember 很会. This phrase, it means very good at. So it's very easy. Subject 很会 do something, meaning somebody is really good at something. 你呢？你很会开车吗? And the next one is also a routine about vehicle, which is 骑摩托车. 骑摩托车 to ride a scooter. In some countries, such as in Taiwan, we ride scooters, 摩托车 all the time. 骑摩托车, 骑摩托车 to ride scooters. 你会骑摩托车吗? Do you know how to ride scooters? 你会骑摩托车吗? It's a yes/no question at the end of the sentence, right? So, 你会骑摩托车吗? Let me know in the comment below. Next one, 买晚餐. 买晚餐 to buy dinner. 买晚餐. 晚餐 meaning dinner. Of course, you could say 晚饭. So, 买晚饭 or 买晚餐 to buy dinner. Next one, 看电视 watch TV. 看电视 电视 is TV. 看电视 to watch TV. And the word 看 it has a lot of meanings. It has to see, to read, to watch. It's all 看. Okay, so 看电视我不喜欢看电视 which is true. I don't like to watch TV. 我不喜欢看电视。你呢？你喜欢看电视吗？ Do you like to watch TV? 你喜欢看电视吗？你喜欢看电视吗？ 我不喜欢看电视。The next one, I hope that is your daily routine, which is 学中文 to learn Mandarin Chinese. Alright, 你每天学中文吗？你每天 every day 学中文 to learn Mandarin 吗？你每天学中文吗？ Also, let me know in the comment below. If the answer is no, that's okay. Okay, 你每天学中文吗？ I hope that's your daily routine. Next one, 和同事吃饭。和同事吃饭。It's not really much of a regular daily routine, but it is something that people usually do if you work in a big corporate or you work in a company that you eat with coworkers. So, 和 meaning with, 同事 meaning coworker, 和同事吃饭 to eat a meal, to eat, right? So, 和同事吃饭 meaning to eat with coworkers. Here I would like to point out the pronunciation 和 he second tone 和. It is a pronunciation that is often used in China, but in Taiwan you might hear people say 汉, so which is the same word that has different pronunciation. In China it's 和 and in Taiwan is 汉, H-A-N 4 tone. 汉同事吃饭，我下班后常和同事吃饭。I 下班后 meaning after work. 常 meaning often. Some people will say 常常, but I'm lazy. I omit one 常。我下班后常和同事吃饭。Now here you see the structure. You can paraphrase that, which I often encourage my program students to do it. You learn the structure from me, from my course, and then you make a ton of sentences to paraphrase it. For example, you could say, 我下班后常 after work, I often XYZ. 我下班后常 I don't know, 看电视. You could switch the action to 看电视. Just switch the action that you often do after work. 我下班后常 do something. Next one. Oh, yeah, this is the next one. 滑手机, 滑 meaning to slide. 手机 is cell phone. So 滑手机 meaning to do this action. So what does that mean? Meaning that you're doing nothing, just wasting time with your phone, like searching stuff or looking at your Facebook, Instagram, talking to some people and just like scrolling down your phone. Alright, so 滑手机他常常滑手机 He often 滑手机 scrolling down. Okay, doing nothing with his phone. 你常常滑手机吗？你常滑手机吗？Next one. This might be some people's routine, but it's definitely not my daily routine, which is 打游戏。打游戏。游戏 meaning games. 打 meaning to hit, but here means to play. 打游戏 meaning play online games. 打游戏。你喜欢打游戏吗？你喜欢打游戏吗？Let me know in the comment if you like to 打游戏。你喜欢打游戏吗？我不喜欢打游戏。我不喜欢打游戏。和家人聊天 chat with your family. 和家人 with family. I say you can also say 和家人。和家人聊天 the action that you do, the things that you do is 聊天 meaning to chat. Nothing important, just a casual chat is 聊天，和家人聊天。So if you switch the person 和 somebody 聊天 meaning to chat with somebody. For example, 我喜欢和你聊天。I like to talk to you. I like to chat with you. 我喜欢和你聊天。我喜欢和你聊天 or 我喜欢和你聊天。我喜欢和你聊天。I like to chat with you. Alright, thank you for watching today's video. If you like this video lesson, please don't forget the thumbs up and also share to your social. If you want to learn beyond my YouTube channel, definitely join me on my Facebook group right there. It's free, and also follow me on Instagram. And if you are considering to be my course student, the link is right over there. You can simply just hit the course, scroll down, and you can see the whole curriculum. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. 再见。